Unfortunately, I tested for positive for COVID a few days ago. 間違えた。Hi, I'm Michael from newrealmjapan. Unfortunately, I tested positive for COVID a few weeks ago. In case you're wondering, I'm fine now. But I was in a jail, aka my apartment, for 10 days straight. The problem was I didn't have any groceries at the time, except impact whey isolate by my protein. So I did a little bit of research and I found out if you tested positive for COVID-19 in Japan, the government will send you a week worth of grocery. The government grocery arrived 3 days after I requested. Here they are. Are you wondering why they are still here? Because I ate impact whey isolate by my protein the whole time. Thanks my protein. Okay, let's see what's inside. First of all, you get 2 boxes of food and 1 box of water. In my experience, going through Corona was pretty f***ed up. Please be careful, you guys. Bye.